Hello everyone, this is the World Mouse Clicking Championship. So this is just a useless game which measures how many clicks you can click a mouse in 10 seconds. So let's give it a try and see what we can do. You click start and click this button as fast as you can in 10 seconds. So let's start. Oh, 130. Nice. Here is what a score means. So from 0 to 140. So I'm about here. You're so hot, you've got to be atomic. Alright, cool. Let's try one more time. One. Oh, I messed up. Alright, not bad. So, I'm gonna leave this link in the description. Try and let me know in the comments how many clicks you've got. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys around.